guys have about a 15-word vocabulary. All parrots do have the ability to mimic, just not all of them choose to do so. Now, one of his very favorite things to do is to count. And this one you guys can actually help me with. Now, you can see he bounces when he's excited, so we kind of have to bob to show him that we care, okay? Now, we're going to shout out this number and this number all together. He'll tell us what comes next, and again, the louder you are, the louder he'll respond. Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3! Good boy! Good boy! Yay! You are so silly. Look! Good boy! As you can see when he showed his wings there, his feathers are clipped. It doesn't hurt, it's just like us getting our hair cut. Every year as his old feathers molt out and new ones come in, we have to clip them again. That bouncing just means he's excited to see you all. I'm excited of what I might be pulling out of my pocket. Things are going a little slow this morning and he still hasn't had his breakfast yet, so he's a little eager. Where's the chicken? Good boy.